Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the keyboard ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the system board. Carefully peel back the keyboard ribbon cable and mylar adhered to the touchpad board. Remove the three 2mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins on the top cover, slide it out from under the lip on the top cover, and remove. Important: take care not to scratch the display panel when you remove the touchpad board. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.